Hi kids. I found the Mayfly Pond in the woods here. And I'd like you to think about what animals might live in it. Do you think frogs? Salamanders? Newts? Yeah, they do breed in this pond. And what about turtles? Let's see if we can find some turtles. Turtles like to hang out where it's warm, as they are cold-blooded animals. And in order to forage for the many little bugs and invertebrates that they eat, they need to warm themselves up. So I'm zoomed in on some logs on the far side of this pond, and let's see if we can find some turtles basking in the sun there. Okay? Can you see the shiny objects at the end of one of those logs? There are two of them right there. And a third turtle is up high on the top of the closer log, sticking its neck up a little bit. We can tell these are painted turtles because of their bright orange sides and orange plastron, their lower shell. I found some more further down the pond too. It makes me happy to know that turtles are living here again. There was a time when we found no life in this pond. And look at all the green growth floating in this pond. Turtles eat a lot of aquatic vegetation. Let's look closely at what this plant is. There are the oak leaves underneath the water, and these tiny, tiny little plants are called duckweed. Duckweed is actually the smallest flowering plant in the world. It consists of really a modified stem that's flattened to look leaf-like. The stems can grow new buds that then become leaf-like looking stems in long chains, and even sometimes in the shapes of butterflies. If you look closely at this plant, you can see tiny little clear roots dangling from the bottoms of these leaf-like stems. Duckweed is very important for keeping waters clean. They're able to trap many pollutants and clear the water. One thing I like most about duckweeds is they produce specialized buds full of starch. They drop off the plant and fall to the bottom of the pond. They get buried in the mud and overwinter. When spring comes, they begin to metabolize and fill with air, floating to the surface again to cover the pond with duckweed. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. See you next time. Bye-bye.